everyone, I welcome you back to Side of Light Healing. So let us check today what are your person's feelings, what are their energies, what are they wanting to do next. Okay, so think of your person. Thank you so much, spirit guides. Your spirit guides are here answering all your questions. So let us check what are they wanting to tell you. Okay, the very first card we have here is Six of Swords. So your spirit guides are wanting you to release the pain. They are wanting you to release the burden that you have been carrying since a very long time. Okay. So they are wanting you to release the burden. Okay. They are wanting you to be stress free. Just live for yourself. Leave everything aside. Okay. Because your own peace matters a lot. That is what they are trying to say to you. This is your guidance for today. Okay. You are supposed to do as what you have been guided to do. Okay. So please focus on yourself and divert your focus on yourself, on your well-being, on your own happiness, on your peace. Most importantly, your peace matters a lot. If it is costing you your peace, then it's not worth it. Okay, try to give some time, some space. It will all be well. Okay, it's just a matter of time. Okay, so please do not worry and be at ease. Okay, calm down, be at ease and heal yourself. Okay, next we have is King of Swords. Maybe owl is important, maybe mountains are important for you, maybe you're planning a trip with your person. Maybe I also get bike trips. Okay, maybe you like to drive bikes. Okay, on hilly regions maybe. So that is what I'm getting. You are planning to go on a trip with your person. Your person is planning to do the same. Maybe one of you have gone on a trip or on a vacation recently. I also get feathers. Gray feathers maybe are important. Tulips are important. Flowers are important. So I also get orchids are important. Okay, maybe you like orchids a lot. Okay, flowers and birds are messengers. I get bees. Okay, very specific messages. Maybe your person was in ego. Maybe you were ego was coming in the way. Okay, so you have tried to let go of it. Maybe your person is working on that, and you are not letting ego affect the connection between the two of you. We have strength. Maybe your person is appreciating your strength. They are getting inspired. Okay, and here we have a heart-shaped pendant, so that is important. Maybe they have gifted you, they are planning to gift you one, you're planning to give them one, and you like to pamper a lot each other a lot. Maybe the bond between the two of you is infinite. Here there is an infinity symbol, and maybe 8 number is important. 8 days, 8 hours, and 8 days, next 8 days are important. Okay, we have, again, as I say, 8 number is of strength. It symbolizes strength. So yeah, this is the card of strength. Maybe animals are quite important for you. You like pets, you have pets, you are planning to have a new pet at your home. Okay, so you are feeling supported. Okay, you have enough support around you. You have enough strength which is inside of you and around you as well. So let us check what else do we have today. Thank you so much, spirit guides. This card I want. Knight of Wands. So you are enjoying your own company. If you are waiting for your person, please stop doing that. Do not wait for them. Okay, it's okay to keep a safe space for them in your heart, in your life as well. But do not let the weight disturb your life, or maybe do not let the hurt that you have got from the person, or maybe the things that have triggered you. Okay, they have triggered you. Maybe the things that have triggered you in the connection. Suppress your emotions, or destroy your energies, or maybe disturb your peace as well. Do not let that happen. Focus on yourself, focus on your career, on your wealth, on your finances, on your job, whatever you are doing in your life, and just stay in your own power, stay in your own lane, focus on yourself, stand in your power. And once you do that, once you stand in your power, they are going to come back. They are going to rush towards you, rush back in your life, into your life, and whatever you are waiting for, it's going to come soon to you. Free yourself from all the hurt, from all the worries, from all the doubts, insecurities that are disturbing you. Okay, and disturbing your faith. Please do not let that happen. Maybe you are just not listening to your intuition, trusting what your mind is saying rather than paying attention to what your heart is saying. Okay, so please pay attention. Please divert your attention inside, okay, within, because your intuition is answering, your heart is answering all your questions. Next we have is King of Pentacles. The movement again can be slow, your person is coming, but once you focus on yourself, they are going to come back to you. Don't be too obsessed or too desperate, okay? Just try to wait with faith and patience. Don't be too obsessed or desperate, because it just disturbs the energies around you and within you as well. It's just delaying the union that is supposed to happen, or reconciliation as well. I also get reconciliation happening. Once you divert your focus on yourself, they are also going to divert their focus on you. So please do that, okay? So they are going to come back. Maybe wolf is important. Wolf is a spirit animal, spirit guide for a lot of you, okay? And we have 9 of Cups. You can also pray to wolf, okay? So you can definitely pray to him, okay? He is a spirit guide, spirit animal, and he works wonders, okay? He works in mysterious ways, and miracles can be attracted easily in your life, okay? And he will also help you to build your intuition power stronger than ever before. Next we have is 9 of Cups. Focus on your finances, work on your career, work on yourself, try to save more money, try to save more money for yourself, okay? And invest more time on yourself, okay, on your healing, on yourself, on your happiness. Work on yourself, okay? Maybe follow a healthy routine, or just go to a gym, dance, whatever, do whatever you love to do, okay? So just divert your focus on yourself, on your own life, and they are going to be coming back to you. They will come running to you. Fine. So reconciliation is definitely happening, okay? So yeah, this was your reading. I hope you guys resonated with it well. Please comment below if you are resonating with the messages or not. Even if 1 or 2 people will be resonating with the same, I'll be super happy. Please comment below, so I'll be able to, know what I should do next. Okay, because it is very difficult for me to read the collective messages, to ask my spirit guides to do the same for me, and then interpret the cards accordingly. Also, please give a like to our channel, to our videos, and please subscribe to the same, okay? And share the videos as well. Also, from tomorrow, I am not sure whether I'll be able to record videos or not, but I'm also definitely carrying my tarot deck along with me. Whenever I travel, I carry my tarot deck. So I'll try my best to record where I'm going. So yeah, I'll try my best to post readings regularly now. So do not worry, take care, stay blessed. Thank you so much.